As we all know, there is only one natural satellite or moon of our planet. So as a science lover, we must know everything about it. In this video, we are not going to discuss about its size, its phases or its surface or anything that you already know. But we are going to open the mystery of a red moon. So watch this video till the end. There are more than 200 moons in our solar system, and most of them revolves around Saturn and Jupiter. And if we talk about our planet Earth, then out of 200, only one moon revolves around Earth and takes about 27 days to orbit Earth. And at that time of revolution, the angle between the moon and sun varies continuously. That variation are responsible for the changing in appearance of moon. Let's back to our point directly. Then a blood moon happens when Earth moon is in a total lunar eclipse. What is a lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse is the time when Earth's shadow blocks the sunlight coming to the moon, and it can only happen during a full moon when the sun fully illuminates the surface. Usually a full moon has no eclipse because the moon orbits in a slightly different plane than the Earth and sun do. However, at times the planes coincide. Earth passes in between the moon and the sun and cuts off the sunlight, causing an eclipse. If Earth partially blocks the sun and the darkest part of its shadow fall across the moon's surface, it is called partial eclipse. It is clearly seen as the half moon is covered by a black shadow. Sometimes moon passes through the lighter part of Earth's shadow, causing a penumbral eclipse. Only specialists can able to tell the difference because moon only darkens very slightly. During a full eclipse, the moon is fully in Earth's shadow, and small light of sun at the time of sunrise or sunset falls on the surface of the moon, and as the light waves are stretched, they look red because red color has the highest wavelength. And how red the moon appears can depend on how much pollution is there in the atmosphere. Like if the eclipse takes place just after a volcanic eruption, then the color will appear darker than usual. There are roughly 3 to 4 lunar eclipses every year, and out of the 8 planets, only Earth is lucky enough to see this activity because its shadow is just large enough to cover the moon completely. And did you know red moon is often called as wolf moon because some Native Americans believe that wolf howls more than this time of year? Can be because there were less food. So sure, your all doubts are clear. But well, that's not all. We have a story related to this topic that I hope you are going to like it. In 1504, Christopher Columbus went to Jamaica with his crew members, and at that time the people didn't know the reason behind why the moon turns red. So firstly they were well, but after some time then the people refused to help their crew members for searching food. The crew members started murdering them. When Columbus feels that if this happens continuously, the famine was near. Then he makes a clever step and searched the almanac that when the next lunar eclipse was going to take place. And when that happens, he told the Jamaicans that the Christian God was unhappy that we received no support from you in searching for food. God would turn the moon red as a symbol of his anger. Then the Jamaicans were frightened, howling and running in every direction, and started helping them and praying to the admiral to intercede with his God on their behalf. So that's the full story. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, how was the video? If it's interesting, then don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. And if you don't get satisfied, comment some suggestions for the next video. Catch you later.